Shares of Amazon down a little more than 5% right now, of course, as broadly speaking, technology stocks are coming off, of course, that rally yesterday, historic rally. This morning, Andy Jassy affirming that the AI spending at that company is going to continue even as tariffs raise potential supply chain concerns and expenses. Deirdre Bosa has more on today's Tech Check. Dee.
Hey, good morning, David. So remember his comments, too. They follow Sundar Pichai yesterday, also reaffirming Google's capex this year. Bigger picture is that amid the tariff volatility of the last week or so, the message on AI has been consistent. This is optional. This is not optional. It's existential. We've heard from tech leaders from Google, Sundar Pichai, to Shopify's Tobias Lütke, now Andy Jassy, in that Amazon annual shareholder letter, reiterating that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that must be seized aggressively through deep investment and full-stack integration, making AI more than ever an easy and obvious contender for Amazon's fourth pillar. That is, businesses that signal where Amazon sees durable growth and where it's willing to bet big for the long haul. Yet Jassy stopped short of naming it in his latest annual address to Wall Street. Amazon's first three pillars, they are Marketplace, Prime, AWS, massive defensible businesses that drive consumer growth and customer loyalty. Now, leadership has been searching for a fourth pillar for at least nearly a decade. Back in 2017, when I first attended an Amazon AGM, Jeff Bezos declared that they were hard at work finding the fourth. Then again, during his last shareholder meeting as CEO in 2021, Bezos said they were still looking, and there were a lot of contenders, but that the bar was extremely high. And it's not that Jassy isn't contemplating it. In his letter last year, Andy Jassy called out Gen AI as the next primitives or foundational tools core to Amazon as a whole. Since then, Amazon has gone deeper into the AI stack, more workloads on its custom AI chips, continued infrastructure build out, its own foundational models, and the app layer soon as it gets ready to roll out an AI revamped Alexa voice assistant. Now, in owning the full stack, Amazon's strategy, it's starting to resemble Google's, which is seen as further ahead in the race. So as tariff whiplash continues and it hits Amazon's largest marketplace pillar particularly hard, investors, they could expect Jassy to double down on AI, calling it out as its fourth pillar. Guys, that would be a strong signal and maybe a missed opportunity in this latest letter. Of course, we cover Amazon so closely. We know that they have these pillars. I'm not sure how widely that is known, but it would certainly send a signal to longtime investors that it is all in.
Yeah, and advertising, which has become such an important component, that's just lumped in a marketplace, I guess. Right, Deirdre?
No, I mean, some have considered and that that advertising could be that fourth pillar. It's just grown so much. Prime Video could be another one. And, you know, when Bezos was asked about this during his last AGM, he raised video as a possibility, some others. But it just feels like since 2021, AI is the thing that runs through all of the businesses that is powering advertising more than ever. The other pillars that it seems like an easy one where Amazon could get out ahead because, I mean, in tech circles, it is still seen as sort of playing catch up to some of the other mega caps and AI first companies in the space.
Okay, Deirdre, thank you very much.